Hello coffee lovers, my name is Jackson and I'm the CEO and founder of Brezi Coffee. A lot of people ask me oh, what's really going on inside the Brezi machine? That's the reason why I tear apart one of our machine today so that we can show you guys what's going on inside. The first thing you can see inside our machine is the temperature regulating system. Although it looks really small, believe me, it's extremely powerful. It can cool the water from 25 degrees, which is around your room temperature, to 5 Celsius degree within 20 seconds. And I know a lot of people ask me why don't you go even further to 0 degree? Isn't it the temperature of ice? Yes, that's correct, it's the temperature of ice. But at the meantime, it means that the water will get frozen up. And we did try before, and some of the ice did stack up inside of our heat exchange. And that's the reason why we decided to set it to 5 Celsius degree, because when the water go below around 3 to 4 degrees, it becomes to get frozen up and turning into the ice. And we don't want to make this thing damage our internal component. And the second thing you can see inside our machine is this pumping system. We custom built one of our pump because we cannot find any other suitable one on the market. Unlike the other coffee machine you can find, they are hot brew. And when they hot brew, they require the water to be extremely fast. They want to even pressurize the water flow. But for our application, cold brew is completely different. We want to make the water flow extremely consistent and precise. And the reason is that, as you guys can tell from the website, this is our detachable dripper. We add the coffee ground inside, and after that, the dripper head will drip the water, and we'll give the brew water to the dripper head, to the dripper, and the coffee liquid will be dripped down below the dripper. And because it's cold brew, that's why even though we can make it really fast because we use this per-location method, which is an active extraction compared to the passive extraction that we normally use in our immersion cold brew method, it's already faster. But it still needs some time to let the cold water to extract all the coffee flavor from the coffee ground. That's the reason why we want to make our water flow extremely consistent so that we can control every drop of the water to give them enough time to kind of dissolve the coffee solubles so that it will become flavorful instead of become a weak coffee. And that's why we need to completely redesign the pump so that to make this cold brew application work. And even further, we designed this machine in order to keep it extremely hygiene. Except the dripper head, the detachable one. All the things inside the machine, they won't touch the coffee ground. So that all you have to do is you dump the coffee ground, you rinse it, and that's it. The rest of the machine is always only contacting with water, so that the cleaning part is extremely easy. And that's pretty much what's going on inside our Brezi machine. This thing, it can create a warm water for blooming really fast. It can chill the water really fast so that it can provide the temperature regulating system very effectively. And for the pumping part, it can provide a precise and consistent water flow. And that's the reason why we can make this active extraction of cold brew, or maybe a lot of people refer to cold drip, super easy. So if you also love cold brew and you want a tasty cup of coffee every morning, please back up Brezi on Kickstarter. Thanks a lot.